Welcome to Games Tech and Geekdom. I'm Ryan. Today we're going to be talking about a problem a friend of mine called me up about a few days ago. I get a phone call and he says that his printer is driving him absolutely nuts. He's been trying to cancel a job on the printer and it just will not cancel. And we've all been there. And this was just something he really needed to get printed out quickly. So the first thing we did is went to the printer and tried to go in here, open the queue, and it was in there and it just said canceling. It didn't do anything more than that, and it had been there for quite some time. So there was a few things we could do, but I decided to just cut right to the chase to make this really, really easy on him. And I thought maybe I should share this with other people. The printer here actually operates from a part of the system called the print spooler. It prepares everything before handing it off to the printer. And occasionally, the print spooler actually just can't seem to clear. It's not getting good communication for one reason or another. So what we want to do is we actually want to reset that. Now the easiest way to do that is to actually go right to the start menu and type services to bring up the services menu system. In here, you want to find the print spooler. I'm just going to go ahead and type the word print, which takes me right to the print spooler. If I right click on this and go stop, the system has now lost all printing functionality temporarily. I cannot print anything right now. If I go back to the printers and scanners, none of these things will actually function at all because the print spooler is not working anymore. But if I right click and start that back up, all my printing functionality has returned very easily and very quickly. So that's all that takes. It should, more often than not, clear the print spooler at this point in time, and printing should resume without an issue. Now, normally, I would take something like this and write a script for you that you could download and then just run this whenever you run into this problem. But I'm not going to do that this time because if this is happening to you a lot, you actually have a larger problem going on. Either you have a bad driver on the system, which means you need to go to the manufacturer's website, download the newest version, and try reinstalling that, and maybe that'll fix the issue. Or you have a communication problem either with the computer or the printer, and that's going to take a lot deeper look to see what's really going on. But as a temporary or at least quick solution, you can go ahead and utilize that stopping of the print service, the print spooler service, free that up, and make that available to yourself again. Thank you for your time. If you've got any questions or comments, please drop them down in the comments section. If you've enjoyed this video or find this stuff interesting, please hit subscribe. Give me a like if you enjoyed this particular video. And beyond that, have a great day. I'll talk to you later.